Hello, children. I hope you have done endocrine glands thoroughly well. I will send you the test questions soon. Today, we start with the next chapter photosynthesis. You have been studying this equation since class 6th. Have a look at it. 6 CO2 plus 12 H2O. In the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, it gives me glucose, which is C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. Look here carefully. Glucose and oxygen are very important because all life on earth is dependent upon photosynthesis. It provides food for all, and it provides oxygen for respiration of all living things on earth. What is photosynthesis? The process by which living plant cells containing chlorophyll produce food from CO2 and water using light energy. This is your definition of photosynthesis. They produce food from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Oxygen is released as a waste product during photosynthesis. Importance of photosynthesis. It is the source of food for all living beings on earth, directly for plants and indirectly for animals and humans who eat the plants or the plant eating animals. And it provides oxygen for respiration. Photosynthesis is the only biological process which releases oxygen, and oxygen supports all life on earth. So these are the 2 points which you will learn for importance of photosynthesis. So you will write down this definition. Below the definition, the equation and importance of photosynthesis, these two headings. This is chloroplast. You see here, chlorophyll is the green coloring pigment present in chloroplast. This diagram of chloroplast, you will draw it as it is. I want no changes. There are two membranes, outer membrane, inner membrane. This, what you see here, this is thylakoid. The flattened sacs are called thylakoids, and in the thylakoid here you see the pigment present is chlorophyll. Piles of thylakoids are called grana or granum, and the matrix present here, the ground substance, is called stroma. Chlorophyll is very important. Location of chlorophyll present in the wall of thylakoids. Location of chloroplast in the mesophyll cells between the upper and lower epidermis of leaves. They are also present in the guard cells of stomata. See here, children, the pigment chlorophyll is present in thylakoids. Magnesium is a very important mineral present in chlorophyll. And here you have the location of chloroplast. So you will write location of chlorophyll and location of chloroplast in your notebooks after drawing the diagram of chloroplast. There are 9 types of chlorophyll, out of which chlorophyll A and B are most abundant. Maximum photosynthesis occurs in blue light and red light, and minimum will occur in green. Too much light destroys chlorophyll. So this is another important question. The grass growing in shade under a stone turns yellow. Why? Due to non-formation of new chlorophyll and the disintegration of the older one in absence of light. What are stomata? Recollect, children. We had done it in transpiration, the minute openings of the guard cells present in the epidermis of the leaf. During the day, stomata are open. So that time CO2 enters and at the same time water vapor goes out. Hence, transpiration is the price paid by the plant for photosynthesis. Next, guard cells. They play a very important role in opening and closing of stomata. You have drawn this in transpiration, but again you will do it in this chapter. Look at its structure clearly. This bean-shaped structure, guard cell. This opening here is the stomata. This inner wall is thick. Towards the stomata, you see this wall is thick and the outer wall is thin. These tiny structures are chloroplast and this is the nucleus. During day, you can see the guard cells are turgid and stomata are open. And at night, guard cells are flaccid and stomata close. I will stop here, children. Do this much for your today's work. And again, continue revising the chapters which we have done. All the best, children. Take care.